Breaking news coming at this hour, a CCTV footage has been accessed by NDTV. Remember, this was the interrogation and investigation that was underway at 6:55 when the blast happened. We have now accessed a camera footage from the Red Fort area. Remember, this is the busiest area of the national capital, and the video on your screens is moments after the Delhi blast that rocked the national capital. You can see people running helter and skelter, looking for some safe place after a moving vehicle caught fire. 9 people have died in this Red Fort blast and several remain injured. My colleague Tanushka is also joining me to give me more details about it. Tanushka, tell us the timestamp of this video first of all.
Right, you know what we do understand is that the blast happened at 6:52 p.m. this evening at this, chalk exactly. We are at, from where I am standing at, it's only 100 meters away from the Red Fort. To my left is the Red Fort. We're showing you visuals of the Red Fort right now. And to my right is the Jain Temple and the Chandni Chowk Market. Now, both of these being major tourist hotspots, very crowded as well. And the time roughly would be around 7 p.m. of the CCTV visuals that you're seeing on your screen right now. So this CCTV visual, as you can see, is of people running, of course, to save their lives from the blast. The blast must have just happened, and a few minutes or seconds from the blast is when the CCTV visual is from, wherein people are seen running away to save their lives because the blast was of such high intensity. There are some CCTV cameras set up here as well. So these are the kind of CCTV cameras that have captured this visual of that we're showing you on your screens as well right now. And of course, since this is a high security area anyway, this is Red Fort and it's at the heart of the capital. So such sort of CCTV cameras are natural to be put across at every single pillar on this main stretch of the road, especially in front of Red Fort. Now, what you are seeing in terms of visuals is, of course, just seconds after the blast. This was an I-20 car that from where the blast happened, and right now we've also originated some Pulwama connections also from this blast, that the day on which this car was sold, the specific car that we're talking about, is when Pulwama happened as well. What we also know from the situation, of course, the entire lowdown being that after 6:52 the blast happened. There are 8 people dead, there are 20 injured. All of them were taken to LNJP hospital, those deceased and those injured as well. We had the Union Home Minister Amit Shah visit the LNJP hospital first, take stock of the situation there, and after that visit the spot right here at the Red Fort. Right now, ambulance is still present here. Of course, security continues to remain tight here, and in terms of police forces present here, special crime branch teams, special teams of the police were also present here. The NIA and the NSG being present here brings about the angle of whether or not this was a terrorist attack. Absolutely. Now, this is something that only investigation will reveal, but definitely this is at this point, the crucial information that we have. Back to you.
Absolutely. And Tanushka, while we stay on this video and the visual, this is the first CCTV that has been accessed, and this will be a part of the probe that is underway in this whole blast. But, let's talk about the timing of the blast. Remember, on Sunday, if I am not wrong, on Sunday, the Chandni Chowk area remains closed. And on Monday, as we can see in the visuals, it's a very busy timing when the blast exactly happened. This video also, after 6:55, we see that a lot of people are there. This blast happened in a very crowded area.
Precisely, definitely. I mean, not just tourists present at the Red Fort, but also right on my right side here is the Chandni Chowk Market. I'll ask my camera person to pan out there, and it's the Jain Temple is there as well. The Jain Temple is also very famous and well known. So devotees, tourists, shoppers, all of them congregated at this very spot. Now, of course, this was, bang in the evening. It was not even late at night. It was nearly around 7 p.m. at 6:52 to be precise when this blast happened. And naturally so, a lot of majority of people were present here. And this is also one of the major tourist hotspots. So it's not just, people from the national capital, but also from other states, even abroad, come to visit the Lal Killa as well as the Chandni Chowk market, because the food is also famous at the Chandni Chowk market. So definitely a very devastating episode that has taken place right at here, and definitely a very sensitive matter as well, that a blast happened right in front of Lal Killa and that injured 20 people and 8 people have lost their life to this blast.
Absolutely. And Tanushka, do stay with me. We have